Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel that is Destiny Coaching Classes. Hope you all are doing very well. I am also well. Today in this video, welcome to day 1 of our 30-day English speaking practice challenge. Today we'll focus on introduction and greetings, a fundamental part of daily conversations. Let's get started. Introduction and greetings are the first step in starting a conversation, and introduction is how you present yourself to someone new, while greetings are ways to acknowledge someone, whether they are a stranger, a friend, or a colleague. Knowing how to properly introduce yourself and greet others sets a positive tone and shows respect. Let's see some common examples and scenarios. Meeting someone for the first time, you can use "Hello, my name is John. Nice to meet you." Greeting a friend, "Hi, how are you?" Formal greeting, "Good morning, how do you do?" Informal greeting, "Hey, what's up?" When meeting someone for the first time, a polite and clear introduction helps establish who you. For friends, a casual greetings can make the interaction warm and friendly. In formal settings, using proper titles and phrases shows respect. Now it's your turn to practice. Try introducing yourself in front of a mirror or with a friend. Use different greetings based on the context. For example, "Hi, I am. It's great to meet you." "Good morning, I am blanks, whatever your name is. How do you do?" Practicing out loud helps you become more comfortable and confident. Here are some common mistakes to avoid and tips to improve your introductions and greeting. Mistake number one, not making eye contact. And there's also a tip, always make eye contact to show confidence and engagement. Mistake number two, speaking too softly. Tip, speak clearly and at an audible volume. Mistake number three, using overly formal language in casual setting. Tip, match your greetings to the context. Use "hello" or "hi" for casual and "good morning, afternoon" for formal setting. Remember, your body language also plays a crucial role in how your greetings is perceived. Today's challenge is to introduce yourself to at least one new person or practice with a friend or family member. Use different phrases based on the context. For example, "Hello, I am. It's nice to meet you." "Hey, I am. Your name? How's it's going?" Share your experience in the comments below. Did you feel more confident? What phrases did you use? Great job on completing day 1. Keep practicing your introductions and greeting. Tomorrow we will dive into basic question and answers, helping you navigate daily conversations even better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the challenge. See you tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.